Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about wiring a plug. Most electrical appliances in the UK are connected to the main supply with 3 core cables. This means they have 3 wires. Each of them have a plastic coating and copper inside. The copper is the conductor, so that's where the electricity flows down, and the insulating plastic around it just makes it's just for safety, so the electricity is kept within the copper, and if we were to touch it, we'd stay safe because plastic's an insulator. So what we've got to do is we've got to know about these 3 wires and this thing called a fuse. So let's have a look what we have on our hands. So first of all, we have this brown wire here, which is called the live wire. Now, in plugs, we make sure we always have the same colour code so we always know what we're going to get. Because our live wire is the dangerous one. That carries 230 volts. So that's carrying the electricity from the main supply to our particular appliance. That is the live wire. If I was to touch that, the copper part of this, I would get electrocuted. That 230 volts would go through my body because I have my body is at 0 volts, so we have a big potential difference, and it could injure me or even kill me by stopping my heart. So the live wire is the dangerous one, and that's always brown. So next up, we have this blue wire right here, and this blue wire in our plug is called the neutral wire. Okay? So it's called the neutral wire. Now, our neutral wire, its sole job is just to complete the circuit. So the electricity flows into the appliance here through the live wire, and our neutral wire just completes the circuit. This wire here is at 0 volts. So if I was to touch the copper part of this wire, I would not get electrocuted because I'm at 0 volts, so is this neutral wire. There's no potential difference between me and it. Now in the UK, we have this 3rd wire, which is green and yellow stripes, and this one is called the earth wire. Now the earth wire is all about safety, okay? All about safety. This is how it works. Let's say a part of the live wire, a little bit of the copper came loose and touched the appliance, touched the kind of sides of the appliance. The whole appliance could become live, which means by touching the whole appliance, I could get electrocuted. So what the purpose of the earth is if the whole appliance was to become live, the earth would take that current away from the appliance and to earth, keeping us safe. So the earth wire is all about safety. That too is also at 0 volts. So if I was to touch the copper part of this wire, I would also be safe as well. So those are the 3 wires. Now we just need to have a look at this thing called a fuse. Now all a fuse is it's again in there for safety. So a fuse is specially designed to melt if the current gets too high. Let's say there's a fault in the appliance and I get a sudden surge of current. This fuse is going to melt and that breaks the circuit. That means that no more current can flow through. Because essentially, as soon as the fuse is specially designed to have a threshold of current slightly above the current that the appliance works at, so the second that current gets slightly too high, the fuse melts and the whole circuit is broken. This here, the fuse is here for safety, as well as the earth. So a quick recap. The live wire in the plug is the one that carries the potential difference from the mains to the appliance. Our neutral wire is always blue, and that completes the circuit. Forgot to say the live wire is brown. The earth wire is there for safety in case the casing of the appliance becomes live. This carries the current away. And finally, we have a fuse, which is something which is specially designed to melt and break the circuit in case we get a surge of current and it gets too high. So the earth wire and the fuse are in there for safety's sake. Thank you very much.